Well, hi everyone. I'm at the Spokane Boat Show. It's at the Spokane Fairgrounds, and you know, January, early February is typically RV boat show months all over. I know we've been to the Cow Palace in late January down to San Francisco a few times for the boat show, and so I wanted to come check this one out, and I'm going to try and go to another one later on this afternoon over in Coeur d'Alene. So come along on this adventure with me. So this is a pretty cool little booth. It's called Inland Empire Chapter Antique Classic Boats Society, and they restore classic boats. Beautiful little thing here. There's little Chris Craft. Beautiful. This is the one that we filmed a couple years ago at the Coeur d'Alene Wooden Boat Show. Great to see that it looks like it might have been fully restored. Here's the QR code if you're interested in it. Check it out. They did a great job. This was a school project, a high school project. And if you look back on our first wooden boat show video at Coeur d'Alene, you'll see that we did a little interview with the teacher coach. And so I'm glad to see that it looks like it's finally done. Very cool. So we entered into one of the rooms here. This looks like it's Specialty Marine, and we'll get some information on where they are and all that. But this looks like their little show. Here's a nice pontoon boat. Lisa and I are looking for a pontoon boat. This one looks a little short to me. It's got a Yamaha 50 on it. It's a sun catcher. That's been around for a long time. There's the cockpit. Nice little table here. Yeah, pretty nice little layout. Let's see what it is. Trying to see how long it is. Oh yeah, 16 feet. We want something 20 feet, 18 feet, somewhere in that neighborhood. So this is interesting. This is a 250 Sensation. It's 25 feet long, and you know, looks like a normal layout for a pontoon boat. It's got the front deck with the front opening. Nice layout. Got the bimini top. But this is kind of clever. Look at this. This side panel swings around so that this is all open. It's kind of like a large swim deck, if you will. Comes out the side. Obviously, it would make it easier for people to get on and off at the dock as well. But you'd have to pull away from the dock to close it again. But nice layout. And this is where the engine would typically go. Yeah, it's different. They've got the Ranger boats here. These are powered by Mercury. Got your trolling motors on the front. Spokane Valley Marine over here. Spokane Valley Marine sells Sun Tracker, Pontoon, Lagoon, Tahoe boats, Mercury tracker boats. They've got a pretty good assortment of models here on the floor. See, this is kind of like what we're going to be looking at. This is an 18 foot, I'm pretty sure, but just based on the model number. We'll see what the engine is, probably a 60, 90, something like that. But this is a nice Sun Tracker. Let's get the dope on it here. Yep, 18 foot, 75 horsepower. That would probably work. 36,865. Here's the information on what the warranty and what you get with it. Performance, console, interior, exterior. So we'll have to check this out. But I like the layout of this one. Got the nice big front seats here. I like the little L-shaped setup there, bimini top. Come around and see if we can see the cockpit. Driver's seat area. Yeah, I like this one a lot. And it's got a little seat area back here, and then you can step off the back here with the swim ladder. Yeah, nice. So they have smaller ones here too. This is a 16 foot. This is a party barge. It's a couple feet shorter than the first one I showed you. But you can notice also the price change. This has a 50 horsepower outboard in it. It's $27,215. But similar type layout, just a little shorter. And over here they have the fishing boats. Got the seats up front. And this looks like it's a 16 footer as well. It's $26,660. And they also have the bigger ones. So this is a 20 footer. It's $41,890. It comes with a 90 horsepower. These are all the little pontoons along here. Very nice selection. Oh, here's a Ranger pontoon. I've never seen one of those. $56,345. Nice setup though. Another Sun Tracker. 22 foot. It comes with a 200 horsepower. $56,565. And then here's the biggest one here that I see. It's a Regency, $73,895. So again, quite a little assortment along with their fishing boats. And some pleasure boats as well. So this is a different dealer with a different type brand model. And this is a Suncatcher. It's a 20 footer. It's got a 100 horse Yamaha on it, and it is $41,999. Nice setup. This one's a little bit longer. It's a 22 footer. It's going for $59,000. So you can see these are a lot of different boats set up here. There's some jet skis here. Some pleasure boats over here. We'll go check them out. This is a Sea-Doo. It's like made by a jet ski company. It's called the Switch. You can move things around in it. I've seen that before. You can change the floor layout and how your configuration is. Here's a Yamaha boat. It's got a jet engine, inboard, outboard, if you will, but a jet propulsion. Show special, $42,649. Nice little boat. Nice open bow, nice seating area, nice and wide too. Doesn't look cramped at all. See how long this one is. This is 19.5 feet. Got their rack up above for pulling wakeboarders. There's another Yamaha. Got the seats here so people can sit in the back and view the skier or wakeboarder. That is a weight sack. You fill that with water and it brings weight into the back of the boat. It gives you a nice big wake. This one here is an AR 195 and it's on for show special $45,999. Here's a big old Yamaha. It's got a nice big trailer. Let's see what it is down here. Oh yeah. Nice open bow area. It's the model 275SD. And it's got like a nice little platform back here. Lounge area, and it's going for, let's call it $150. Lots of Yamaha boats. All different varieties. This one's 122, 111, 98, call it 99,000. 77,000. So this runs through Sunday. I'm here, it's Thursday, January 30th, and this will run till Sunday. So get on down and check these out. There's a great assortment of any kind of boat that you're looking for. Oh, look at this little fishing jet ski. Wow, I've never seen one like that. That's pretty cool. Now these are those Sea-Doos. So this is a 21 footer, it's got 230 horsepower. Show special is $45,549. Here's all the different Sea-Doo jet skis. Man, a lot of different variety of jet skis. Here's another Sea-Doo, what they call Switch. This is a 21 footer. It's for $52,849. Little shorter one, $41,000. And a Suncatcher, which is an 18 footer. It's going for 36, call it 37,000. So this is a dealer up in Coeur d'Alene. It's actually just past Hayden, Mark's Marine. And they're right off Highway 95. And this is their little section of all the boats. Here's a Lund, that's a really good brand. It's made of aluminum hull and it's good for running the rivers and fishing. Here's a 17 foot 10 inch with a 115 horsepower Mercury, $47,595. Again, a lot of assortment here.
My name is Ken. This is Larry. We're with the Spokane Walleye Club.
Oh, cool. Yeah, nice.
Sure.
You take your card. I'll put it up there when I do the video. Okay.
We have a meeting at the end of each month on a Wednesday night. We have campouts and get-togethers.
Cool. Where's in Spokane?
In Spokane.
Okay. That's where the meetings are held.
We're up at the Inland Northwest Wildlife Council building.
Okay.
Market in Francis.
Okay. And we'll put the card with the information on it as a separate thing when we do the editing.
Sure, just come as a guest and check us out, see what we're all about.
Good deal. Thank you. Used craft. This is 22 feet long. It says maximum horsepower 250. I don't know what that engine is, but look at this the setup in here. It's pretty nice. It looks like it's really well built. Powered by a Yamaha. Let's see if we can get the horsepower on this puppy. 250. Yeah, look at that center console. Yeah, nice setup.
So you have the two on the side. Yeah.
Man, what a nice assortment. These are all like, they've got the enclosed cabin areas. Twin 150 Yamahas on this one with a little 9.9 trolling motor. And you got some pontoon boats here.
It's just empty storage there.
This is Sampan, Godfrey. Oh, that's a pretty one right there. I'm going to go up here in a second and check out these pontoon boats. Some little trolling motors. So these are Avalon pontoon boats. Here's a 2585. It is 28 feet 5 inches long. Got a 250 horsepower motor. 11,995. Beautiful boat though. Really different colors too. Double bimini tops. Here's a 255 Aqua Patio. 99,995. It comes with a 300 maximum.
Thanks for watching. Please like us. Please subscribe. And until our next adventure, bye.